In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Continue Playback prompt in VLC Media Player. If you're tired of VLC asking whether you want to resume from where you left off every time you open a video, this quick setting change will completely stop that prompt. This is especially useful if you frequently open short clips, tutorials, or test videos and just want them to start from the beginning automatically. I'll walk you through this step by step, and by the end of the video, VLC will behave exactly the way you want. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tips like this. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open the main VLC settings window where you can control how the player behaves. If you don't see many options at first, don't worry, we'll focus on the section we need. Now that the Preferences window is open, make sure you are on the Interface tab. This is usually selected by default when Preferences opens, but if it's not, just click on Interface at the top. The Interface tab controls how VLC looks and how it interacts with you while you're using it, including pop-ups and prompts like the Continue Playback message. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Preferences window. You'll see a checkbox labeled Save Recently Played Items. Make sure this box is checked. This setting allows VLC to remember playback history, which is required for the Continue Playback option to appear in the settings. Even though it sounds unrelated, this step is important so you can fully control the resume behavior. After that, stay within the Interface section and scroll down through the list of options. Take your time and look for a setting called Continue Playback. This is the exact option responsible for the prompt that appears when you reopen a partially watched video. Once you find Continue Playback, you'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down and change the setting to Never. By setting this to Never, you're telling VLC to stop asking whether you want to resume playback, and instead always start videos from the beginning. Now that you've changed the setting, scroll to the bottom of the Preferences window and click the Save button. This locks in the changes you just made and applies them to VLC. The final step is very important. Close VLC Media Player completely, and then reopen it. VLC needs to restart for the new preference to take effect. After restarting, open a video that you previously stopped halfway through, and you'll notice that the Continue Playback prompt no longer appears. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Continue Playback prompt in VLC Media Player. No more interruptions, no more extra clicks, and a smoother playback experience every time you open a video. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.